We are only at 2,200 right now. 2,300. Below it, but I mean, this would be a perfect instrument day because you could just pop up on top of this and then fly in blue skies, but as it turns out, it's not very good for going anywhere.
Estimated weather observation 1632 Zulu. Wind 100 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 2,700. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 07 Celsius. Altimeter 3005. Remarks. Depth of the altitude 500.
Hey Ed, I'll catch you later. Have a good one.
Yeah, it's really not even looking all that great flying this way either.
No.
Kind of wondering if we should just, we can either just stay up and fly in circles or just land.
And wait or land
Well,
and be done with it?
Well, I don't know. What do you think? I know it seems almost a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't look very good.
No.
What are the odds that it's going to clear up, though?
I don't know. Like it called for 12 o'clock to kind of break up and stuff like that, and doesn't look that bad when you get lower, does it?
No.
Look out there, and then all of a sudden you can see a fair distance. And lock even traffic, Archer 5 Golf Kilo, turning final 9, landing full stop. And lock even traffic, Archer 5 Golf Kilo, turning final for 9 left, full stop. We're just coming up on Jersey Shore now.
Hornell traffic 662 in Delta on a 45, entering downwind on 18.
We're going to be able to get back down, aren't we?
Yeah, see this area up here? That's a hole. That's a hole that we climbed up in. Yeah.
Kind of cool.
Yeah.
South County 016, turn a mile final 16, full stop. Wellsboro Johnson Airport, Archer 41180 is 8 miles to the northwest, inbound runway 10, Wellsboro.
Yeah, kind of neat coming down through that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Danville traffic, Cessna Skyhawk is on a left base for runway 27, Danville.
Yeah, maybe we'll just finish our heading out to Sealands Grove then. We'll just
All right, that'll be all right.
slide toward below
13, so we're going
the
to
clouds.
right 3, thanks, folks.
10 Valley traffic, Bonanza 72, Whiskey Tango, 6 miles north, inbound on the RNAV 17, low approach, 17, 10 Valley.